Hi there. I want to invite you to come join my new YouTube channel. I've created a second channel. I started this channel, the one you're watching now, with just my regular boring name, C. Creasman, back in late 2006, only a year after YouTube had started. Back before YouTube was regular and nobody was trying to become famous or make money. Well, I'm still not trying to become famous or make any money, but in an exciting bit of news for myself, I am releasing a limited series historically based podcast, hopefully in a couple of weeks. And I'm eager for you to hear it, and I'm going to share it. And to do that, I decided a new home was needed rather than my old site, which has, my personal things on there, music that I've written, things I love doing, but it's sort of a hodgepodge. And so I decided I was going to create a new site, which I have. It's called Past Meets Present with Professor Creasman. And I want you to click the link you can see on the screen, or you can find it down in the notes, and come and subscribe. It's just a way for me to keep it separate, the podcast, from my personal videos and those kinds of things. I'm also going to be releasing all of my lecture videos here. I'll be uploading any new videos to the new site, Past Meets Present, rather than this site. Over the past decade or so, I've had the chance to speak publicly, and many of you have come and subscribed, the few subscribers that I have, from some of those lectures. You've heard about it, and you've said, oh, I want to hear that lecture again. And so I wanted to kind of start putting all my lecture videos there. So please click the link to go to the new channel, become one of the first to subscribe, because right now it's brand new, so nobody knows about it, so it's barely out there. When you get there, if you don't know, you click the link, you say subscribe, there's a little icon of a bell. If you click the bell, you've all heard this before, you can say all the notifications. It's basically the way YouTube asks you to, if you really want to get everything that this person posts. There won't be a lot. Like I said, it's a limited series. It's probably going to have 10 to 12 episodes. We'll see the feedback from the podcast sites. It will be on the podcast sites, but also from you here, for the potential of a second or third or fourth series. I've got some ideas, but at the same time, if nobody's listening. So hopefully you'll like it. Hopefully you'll listen, and you'll enjoy everything that you find there. Again, I'm excited for you to come. The podcast name is called Unmoored, America Adrift in Historical Forgetfulness and Finding Our Way Back. So it's a history-based theme podcast that's looking at our current moment, say circa early 21st century, and offering some suggestions from history that I think are pertinent to help explain, well, one, how do we get here, but more importantly, how do we find our way to a safe harbor, using the term unmoored, a boat lost at sea, from a safe harbor, not a safe being out kind of in distress, which I would suggest the evidence shows that our society is in distress. And the short part, there's a longer podcast to go with it, but the short answer is that we're here, in my opinion, because we have lost our historical knowledge. That, or if we think we know some of it, we know it imprecisely. And so it's led people to come to conclusions that the evidence, I do not believe, supports. So I want to invite you to that conversation. And again, hopefully in the next week or two, you'll start seeing podcasts uploaded here at the new website, which the website is Past Meets Present with Professor Creasman. Again, you click the link. The podcast, which is not released yet, but will be coming in a couple of weeks, is called Unmoored, America Adrift in Historical Forgetfulness and Finding Our Way Back. I hope you'll come and follow, and then hopefully you'll share the link with others, or you'll share this video with others, and you'll be excited to come and join me on the journey. Thanks.